your eyes open for along the way.
Nemo! Come out,
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Yes, have you seen her?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
Jellyfish! Nemo, it's jellyfish!
Mr. Smarty Man.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Man.
Stop playing games! Dory, do something!
Hey,
Swim away!
look, I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!
Why did you provide for little guys? Oh, what a beautiful little boys! Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Fish and friends.
Kill the motor, dude. Kiss all three. Come on, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are. So much to discover.
I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea. In the big blue world. And all of them are out there for me.
That's what I'm afraid of!
In the big blue world. We're here with all our friends.
I get to see a good root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but they just never stop. Never, never.